Good morning, students. Today we will continue learning Chapter 5 Acids, Bases and Salts. First we will discuss about acids. We have discussed in our previous class that substances which taste sour are called acids. First we will learn about ions. We know that all materials are made up of atoms. This you have learnt in your class 6th also. So charged atoms or group of charged atoms are called ions. Two types of ions are there, cation and anion. First we will learn about cation. An atom consists of three types of particles: electrons that are negatively charged and protons that are positively charged. You can see the electrons are moving around the protons and the protons are present in the center of an atom along with neutrons. In an atom there are equal number of protons and electrons. When an atom loses an electron, it becomes positively charged. Here you can see the formation of a cation. Electron is being removed from the atom and the atom becomes positively charged and it is called cation. Formation of anion occurs when an atom gains electron. Negatively charged ion is called anion. So now it will be easy for us to understand the definition of acids. Acids are compounds that produce positive hydrogen ions in water. In late 1800s, Swedish scientist Svante Arrhenius proposed that water can dissolve many compounds by breaking them into ions. He suggested that acids contain hydrogen that dissolves in water to give the positive hydrogen ion. Depending on the source, acids are classified into two types: mineral acids, organic acids. Mineral acids are prepared artificially from minerals found in the earth. Examples of mineral acids are sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, etc. These are also called as inorganic acids. Next is organic acids. Acids which occur naturally and are found in plants and animals are called organic acids. For example, we get from milk lactic acid, from vinegar acetic acid, from apple malic acid, from grapes tamarind tartaric acid, citrus fruits citric acid, from bee sting formic acid, etc. These all acids we get naturally from plants and animals. On the basis of their strength, acids are also classified as strong acids and weak acids. Strong acids are those which dissociate or separate completely in water to give a large number of hydrogen ions. For example, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid are strong acids. As you can see in the picture, the hydrochloric acid is completely separating into hydrogen ions and chlorine ions on dissolving in water. Just opposite are the weak acids. Acids which do not dissociate or separate completely in water and only produce a small number of hydrogen ions are called weak acids. For example, acetic acid, carbonic acid, formic acid, etc. You can see in the picture, the acetic acid is giving a small number of hydrogen ions in water. So remember children, mineral acids are always the strong acids, and the organic acids obtained from plants and animals are weak acids. Now, on the basis of water present in an acid, they are classified into concentrated acids and dilute acids. Concentrated acids means which contain less quantity of water dissolved in them. You can see in the picture children that in concentrated acid solution the quantity of water is less and the quantity of acid is more. Sulfuric acid is usually found in concentrated form. Dilute acids are those in which quantity of water is more and the quantity of acid is less. We can make an acid dilute by adding more water to its aqueous solution. Dilute acids contain less hydrogen ions in their solution due to the addition of more water. So, this decreases the acidity and their strength is also decreased.
Concentrated and dilute acids. Both strong and weak acids can be concentrated or diluted. If you dissolve a large quantity of hydrogen chloride gas in a small amount of water, you get concentrated hydrochloric acid. If you dissolve a small quantity of hydrogen chloride gas in a large amount of water, you get diluted hydrochloric acid. It is possible to dilute a concentrated acid by adding water to it. It is also possible to concentrate a dilute acid by evaporating water out of it.
Concentrated acids are very dangerous to use. We should handle them properly when we are using any concentrated acid. A video is shown to you. You can see how a spoon dipped in a concentrated acid melts so fast. So they are very dangerous. Let's learn about some properties of acids. First, it is sour to taste. Second, they are soluble in water. Third, they have different effects on different indicators. They turn blue litmus red and methyl orange pink, but they have no effect on phenolphthalein indicator. Next property, they are good conductors of electricity. And fifth point, acids are colorless. Acids can cause blisters on the skin. This I have told you before also. So strong acids are very corrosive. They can destroy materials like wood, paper, cloth, iron, etc. So they should be handled very carefully. Acids are stored in bottles of glass. Remember one very important thing children, never add water to an acid for dilution as it can spill out and burn your skin. Instead, add acid very slowly to water while you are constantly stirring the solution. Now let's study about some uses of acids. Acids are used in fire extinguishers. This may be a new thing for you all to know children. Fire extinguishers you must have seen in your homes and it is present in our school also, in offices, etc. And it is based on the property of carbon dioxide to extinguish fire. Let us see how it works. A fire extinguisher is a metal cylinder with a nozzle. Inside the cylinder are chambers. There is a sulfuric acid chamber which is called inner chamber. You can see it in the picture shown to you. And a base sodium carbonate is present in the outer chamber. When the cylinder is inverted and the nozzle is pressed, the acid reacts with sodium carbonate to produce carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide gas is used to extinguish fire. Carbon dioxide gas is not a supporter of combustion, so it cuts the supply of air and the fire is extinguished. So this is the reaction that is occurring inside the fire extinguisher. The base sodium carbonate reacts with acid, that is sulfuric acid, and forms a salt, that is sodium sulfate, and carbon dioxide gas is released. This gas is used to extinguish the fire. Now let's learn about acidity and how it is cured by using a base. Acidity is a common problem faced by many people. It is caused due to excessive secretion of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. We all know that hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach and it helps in the digestion of food. It provides an acidic medium to the stomach. But excess acid may get secreted due to tension or worry or overeating or eating spicy food. This can lead to acidity due to excess acid. This excess acid causes damage to the walls of the stomach. Acidity can be reduced by taking antacid tablets. Antacids are bases, and when they react with the acid in the stomach, they form salts. They neutralize the effect of acid and reduces the acidity in our stomach. So acid-base reaction inside the stomach helps to reduce the acidity when you take an antacid tablet. Many uses of acids are given in your book in a tabulated form. Some are acids are used in making drugs, paints, dyes, etc. They are used in car batteries, trucks and inverters. They are also used in leather industries. So you learn these uses of acids from your book very nicely. So today we discussed about the acids in detail. Hope you all understood it. Learn it nicely from your textbook. In next class we will discuss about bases and neutralization reactions.